In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT to build a personalized daily affirmation practice that actually works for a busy professional. I begin by asking ChatGPT to act as my personal affirmations guide, requesting a simple 5-minute routine that feels realistic rather than over the top. The AI generates a structured morning routine that starts with grounding exercises and provides specific affirmations for work and mindset. It also includes practical advice on how to make the practice stick, such as pairing it with an existing daily habit and keeping the thoughts believable. Moving forward, I ask for a broader set of 20 affirmations categorized into areas like productivity, focus, and emotional balance. ChatGPT quickly delivers a comprehensive list that provides 5 grounded statements for each category, giving me plenty of options to choose from. I scroll through these results, noticing how they focus on steady progress and manageable goals rather than unrealistic perfection. To make things even more personal, I provide a detailed prompt about the specific stresses I face, such as doubting my abilities or feeling overwhelmed by a long task list. ChatGPT responds with 10 custom affirmations designed to combat negative self-talk and help me celebrate my own unique progress. These phrases feel much more authentic because they directly address the professional challenges and comparisons I mentioned. Finally, I ask the AI to put everything together into a structured 7-day plan to help me stay consistent throughout the work week. The generated plan provides a unique theme for every day, from managing overwhelm to building self-trust, and even includes evening reflection questions to check in on my mindset. This step-by-step guide ensures that I have a clear path forward to improve my confidence and resilience one day at a time. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.